Hi, this is Maria again. Now I need to show how make the bows, or you can make your bow for yourself. We have a different size the bow and different size too. This is the small one, but you can see we have a big bows, medium, and all different colors, different size. But I can show the just a regular bow. Okay. Then depends how big you want that tail, kind of short one, big one, depends how long you want that tail, okay? And you need to start in like this, and then you can twist a little bit and make the little thing. This is the important thing. Don't make too big, just kind of a small one, and then do this and twist like this, and you can make a little that one. Depends how big too. If you want big, you can make more big or short one. It depends how big you want the bow. And then you can put in again like this, and then twist like this, and make sure has the equal same size, and you can put in again. This is the first thing. So when you got that one, you done. And then that one, the ribbon can go just like this. It's very easy. And you can open the fingers little bit and put in and go like this again. Put in the ribbon. And look at the ribbon just go like this, just following into this and push in again. And go up and open the fingers little bit. And go down and open the finger like this and push in. And when you finish, you can fix the little thing in here. Make sure it's equal, same. And then you can put the wire and tie like this. And then you can put together, and you can cut an angle like this or do like this. And then when you finish, you can open. You see? This is one type. And you can do this one. A lot of people use ribbon and bows for the Christmas trees. That one is very easy. You can put those together like this and do this. And you can do this. And the last one is kind of make another one, but I not made it. Just do this one up. One is up and one is down. And then you can do this one. And you can cut the same like this. And a lot of people put this one in Christmas tree. You see, that one is up and that one is down. And you can put it like this in your Christmas tree. It's many different types. I make up for each wreath. We make some many different types. Yeah, Some is kind of puffy, but this is the regular bow. This is the regular bow, and that one is for the Christmas trees. Yeah. Okay. Mhm. Done.